Hey guys, today we're out here at Christ Lutheran Church here in Irvington, man. When we started this project, we came out here, we came to do an inspection for the church. They had some issues going on with the steeple. On the back side, we have a louver that was missing. While we were out here, we had indications that there was storm damage in this area. So we had instructed these guys to go ahead and contact their insurance agency. Initially, when they first got back to us, they said that they were willing to pay $7,000 out on this claim. And we're only willing to pay for a couple of the soft metals and things. You know, here at Gladiator, we have a team that works hard on negotiating on your behalf with the insurance company. We were able to get these guys back out here and to get them to take care of the church's needs, which were the roof at this point in time. We were able to take this claim from $7,000 to over a $200,000 claim, you know, and get the church in the best benefit to where they could be at. This roof was in desperate need of being replaced. We were able to work that out with the insurance company, come to a mutual agreement that was beneficial to the church and met all of their needs. If you're in this area and you're experiencing any storm damage or you had storm damage, definitely be sure to give Gladiator a call, man. When you're thinking of storm damage or storm restoration, Gladiator is your go-to.